Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are looking at Walgreens curbside deals for the week of November the 9th to the 15th. The cheapest items to order this through your cell phone, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And a lot of you love this because you can use those little discount codes. 39-cent Head and Shoulders and Tresemme. There's fire coming from my keyboard this morning, so we will talk about this in a second. Now, the app Ibotta, they released one of their Thanksgiving freebies that is a full-size Edwards, either the strawberry or the turtle pie, found in the frozen food section. With Ibotta, you'll pay that full $5.69, photograph your receipt, get $5.69 back. This is at Walmart specifically. If you want that free pie, get it today, which is Monday the 10th. It's going to go very quickly. Part of your Thanksgiving dinner. I know a lot of people were really pissed off with the Ibotta Thanksgiving dinner, but I think as every week progresses to Thanksgiving, they're going to keep dropping these little freebies. Load this rebate right now, and I would pick up this pie today if you want it. Remember, you're at the store Walmart, and if you have not signed up for Ibotta, sign up today. Link in the description. Okay, so what is curbside pickup over at Walgreens? You're ordering this stuff through the app. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. Additionally, this week, we have a 15% off 30 with the code SALE15, a 20% off of 50 with SALE20. Extra savings for you and me. You are the kind of shopper that wants to be in store with those paper register rewards. You want to see what you're buying and you're not into online shopping. Watch yesterday's video. I'll link it at the very end. Tons of really solid deals yesterday in store. And before we dive into the deals, if you guys could do me a huge favor, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Helps out the channel, ensures that this video doesn't end up in YouTube Siberia. And if you have the hype button, press it. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so let's start with deal number one. You're going to start with this booster, the 5-pack when you spend $15. If you do not have it, it's going to be $5 more for the balance, which is still pretty darn fantastic. And with this, you have to use your debit card to pay the balance. If you're doing it without, you can use Walgreens cash. For this first one, we're going to be grabbing 2 of the $6.99 Head and Shoulders, and we have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and these shampoos are buy one, get one 50% off. The second item that you're going to throw into your cart is 2 of the Tresemmes, 2 for $12, $6 each. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for that one. So you can actually use the code WAG10 for extra savings. And I'm saving an additional 70 cents. So just to show you the big $5, $4, that's $9 right there. And then with WAG10, an additional 70 cents. So looking at the math here, the overall total for the basket is $22.48, 70 cents melting off, free curbside pickup and tax, $9 melting off as well. So if you're using that booster, you're going to pay $14.09 with your debit card, get back $11. You're getting back 2 for Head and Shoulders. I think it's 4 for Tresemme, and then that $5. Balance, if you're using the booster, use your debit card or credit card. Now, if you do not have that booster, you can actually use Walgreens cash, and you will still get back, I believe, $6 back, which is 4 for Tresemme and 2 for the Head and Shoulders. Now we're at deal number 2. Again, we're going to use our friend, the 5-pack when you spend $15. And these are always your miles may vary. My husband's card gets them. My personal one doesn't. So not everyone gets them. For this one, we're going to be throwing in 3 of these 12 packs of the Coca-Cola products. They're $6 each. As you can see here in Michigan, we have a recycling fee of $1.60 per. So that's where it adds up. And so $21.60, the recycling fee is mixed in there. So I would pay that with my debit card with that booster, and then I'm getting back $5. And if you do not have the booster, I would recommend just to do this one in store with Register Rewards. But I know a lot of you probably don't want to be wrestling around with 3 12-packs in your car. It's just easier to do it curbside and to get an employee to bring it out to your car, especially if you're an older shopper. You don't want to be wrestling with these heavier sodas. Okay, deal number 3 for this one. I wanted to show you guys something interesting. The buy one, get one free is for those Cadbury mini eggs, the Hershey's Kisses, the Reese peanut butter trees. It's for a whole lot more than the Kit Kat. I don't know why I was hyper fixated on the Kit Kat. I think because it was the stupid picture. So don't ever assume anything, as they say. I know a lot of you make those Blossom cookies, the peanut butter with the kiss on top. So this would be ideal. If you have this, we'll look at it again 2 different ways. But what you would do for this is to throw in 6 bags on a buy one, get one free. Always include that extra one for a buy one, get one free so you can get your free bag. And this is just smart. I threw in 4 of the kisses and then 2 of the peanut butter. I know that sometimes even if you're making an assortment of cookies, a lot of us put candy on top or with your cookies. Using the code WAG10, you're saving an additional $2.10. So doing this curbside, you will save just a smidge more money than doing it in store. And a lot of us really love that. So just to show you guys, the overall total for this is $20.97, $2.10 coming off. With your debit card, you're going to pay $18.87 with the 5 back when you spend $15, and you're getting $5.20 back. And if you are doing this without that booster, I would just get the 4 bags and then use Walgreens cash for that. But with the booster, you need to be surpassing that total. So yeah, definitely for the bakers out there, if you want it inexpensive, it's like $2.30-ish per. Very, very good deal. The next deal that we're looking at, again, it's with a booster, and we'll look at it 2 different ways. And remember, this is of a one-time use, so pick and choose wisely how you wish to use it. And I really wish all of us had the same boosters because it makes it frustrating for a lot of you out there. I do read the comments. For this one, we're grabbing 2 of the Kit Kats because, of course, I have to bring Kit Kat back into the picture. And then 2 of the Tresemes for $12. We have a 5 off 2 for the Tresemme, and you're also getting back $4 in Walgreens cash for that one. You know, if you don't really want to go crazy with the candy, this is just an alternative deal. $5 melting off with an additional $1.40 with the code WAG10. The sum here is $18.99, $1.40, so we're still at that $15 mark. We have a little bit of tax and a $5 digital melting off. You're going to pay $13.27 with your debit card, and then you're getting back $9.18, 4 for Tresemme and 5 for the booster. Remember to use your debit card again for the balance. If you're doing it without a booster, you can use Walgreens cash. Final deal that we're looking at is deal number 6, and this one involves paper. So if you have this guy, definitely throw him into this one if you want to stock up on paper. And we're going to be throwing in 8 of these $3.99 Walgreens bathroom tissues. There's also a paper towel in the same line. It's very similar to Angel Soft or Sparkle if you've ever tried those two. This is $31.92, so we're going to use that special coupon code that we talked at the beginning of the video. This one, sale 15, so we're basically getting 1 completely for free with that code. The overall total again is $31.92, $4.80 melting off. We have our booster loaded, the 5 back when you spend $15. With your debit card, you're going to pay $28.75 and get back $6.55 back. It makes the paper really cheap, and you have a huge amount. If you can make this one happen, I certainly would. To check out yesterday's in-store video, watch the video linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.